Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. Hi, Kanak, good morning. Just let me know, am I clearly audible? Am I clearly audible on both the on Instagram and Facebook? Just let me know. Okay. Okay, perfect. Let everyone join. Guys who have joined me from Facebook, एक बार मुझे बता दो कि कमेंट में लिख के बता दो कि am I audible? Am I audible? Am I visible? Not showing for me. Audible. Okay. Perfect. Let everybody join. Sure, I will be speaking in Hindi and English both. Satyapriya ma'am, I will be speaking in English and Hindi both. Got it. Okay, perfect. Richa, you can join. Hi Pratiksha, good morning. Happy New Year to everyone. Audible. Okay. Let everyone join, and you can even share this page on your page. Let your friends join in. Let them come online. Let them also learn caramel with us. Oh, looking pretty with the specs, no? Yeah, this is my new specs. Thank you. Yes, this was an investment which I did in this new year. First investment. Thank you. Yeah. Hi, Yushra, Mazhar. Hi. Hi, Richa. Good morning. Happy New Year. So just share this pages to your friends. So there's an arrow button. You can share it on your page. Let everyone join. Let them also learn how to make caramel at home. आप इस पेज को आगे शेयर कर सकते हो एंड अपने फ्रेंड्स को लेट देम ऑल्सो ज्वाइन, उनको भी ज्वाइन करने दो सो दैट वो भी कैरेमल बनाना सीखेंगे. आई एम फ्रॉम गुड़गांव. आई एम फ्रॉम गुड़गांव. सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव द रेसिपी कार्ड. आप सबके पास में रेसिपी कार्ड है? आई कैन सी द कमेंट्स बोथ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड एफबी बोथ. माई वॉइस इज कंप्लीटली क्लियर, राइट? Yeah. Yes, I hope you all have the recipe card with you. आप सबके पास में रेसिपी कार्ड है? Okay, perfect. So one of you just keep on helping who all don't have the recipe card. No recipe card? Okay. So what you can do is please ping on this number or just 1 minute. Join this group. Just join this group. Okay, you also don't have recipe card, Tanika? I'll share you the link. Just join this group. The group has a recipe card. Yeah, just join this group. So I'm sharing the link. Just join this group, WhatsApp group. उसमें रेसिपी कार्ड है. ठीक है, ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन करो, उसमें रेसिपी कार्ड है. नीता, जस्ट ऊपर में मैंने एक लिंक भेजी है. जस्ट सेंड अ लिंक अबाउ विद द नेम बेक विद नंदिनी. Yes, can you all see the link? That's a open chat group. You can join this link and I'll ask Richa to help them with the recipe card. Yes, perfect. I can see people joining. Richa, can you please, or anyone who has a recipe card in the group, please share it with them. Yeah, just keep sharing the recipe card with whoever newly joins. जो नया नया ज्वाइन कर रहा है उनको ये रेसिपी कार्ड आप दे दो. So I have sent a chat का link. Neeta, I have sent a chat का link. Not chat का link, WhatsApp group का link I have sent. So just join that group. Not able to join the link? Hi, good morning. Happy New Year. Yes, I'll again share the link. Just join this link. Thank you, Shivangi. Shivangi, just keep sharing them the recipe card, ठीक है? Perfectly got, no, Shivani? ठीक है. So in the group, whosoever is joining, so I have my friends who have been doing my workshop, so they will help you. They will share the recipe card. Savitri, just above your comment, I have shared a link of WhatsApp. Click that WhatsApp link, join that WhatsApp group. The recipe card is there in the group. Okay? So happy New Year, everyone. Those who are joining me newly, Tanika, you have got it? Perfect. Okay? Who all don't have the recipe card? किस किस के पास में recipe card नहीं है of caramel making? I used to teach offline with the name who has joined Coco Bliss. I used to teach offline, but it is really difficult with kids to manage offline. So yes, it's majorly online. ज़्यादातर ये online ही मैं सिखाती हूँ. And the best part is, see, even if you learn online, even if you learn offline, I understand offline में ऐसा है कि you get a hands-on feel of it. Whatever you make, you can take it away. But I do support my clients who are with me from last 2 years. So it's 2 years are completed. I am entering the third year in 2023. So they all have been connected with me from last 2 years online. And why are they connected with me? Because, can you please share the recipe? Guys, please share the recipe. Perfect, Shivangi. Perfect. So she is very quick and she is sharing the recipe. Thank you so much. So yes, if I join, when they join me for my online workshops, so when you make it in your kitchen, जब आप अपने kitchen में बनाओगे ना, तो आपको तब भी doubts आएंगे. Even if you learn online, even if you learn offline, when you make it in your kitchen, still you will have doubts. So for that, I have tried my level best, and I am connected to everybody on my personal number. Who all doesn't have my personal number, so I'll just share my personal number also last में. So I conduct many workshops online, and yes, the best part of it is I can help you even when you're making it in your kitchen, because that's when you will have your doubts. जब आप अपने kitchen में बनाना शुरू करोगे तब आपको doubts आने शुरू होंगे. So for that, be very comfortable. You can join any of my workshops. Whenever you are making it, I'm always there to support you. There are many people who have joined this workshop. Yes, ma'am, helps for everything. Oh, thank you so much. Who has made my day? Dr. Khushbu has made my day. She has written, yes, ma'am, helps. Very cooperative. Thank you. Never tired of giving the answers. Yes, I am never tired of giving the answers, because I want you that you need not go here and there to get the solution. मैं नहीं चाहती आपको इधर या उधर जाना पड़े कि okay, please forward this message to ma'am or etc. My personal WhatsApp number has been shared with everybody from last 2 years. Yes, it has been tough, but I make this thing that I will reply you surely. Got the recipe card. Is this live to be saved? Please join this WhatsApp group. I hope you all have my personal contact number. You can connect to me on my personal contact number also for any of the doubts whenever you are making it in your kitchen. Yes. So now I would also just keep on sharing this page. Let your family and friends also join us for the caramel live session. And what we can do is, I would also want to now start interacting and know what were your resolutions. What were your New Year resolutions? We can start with Dr. Khushbu only. Do let us know what were your resolutions of the New Year, and then I'll let you mine. Okay, with the name Lobo Trista, I'll just share you the link. Hello, good morning, Shankar Bhaiya. I will just share you the link of the WhatsApp group. Just join this WhatsApp group, and there are people who will share you the recipe card. So people are still joining. I'll wait for them. Just keep on letting me know what were your. My resolution is I need more cookies from you. Okay, guys, what are your resolutions? Hi, good morning, Ish. How are you doing? So what was your resolution? Want to learn and be confident baker like you by end of 2023. Thank you so much, Richa. Uh, yes, I'm always there to support you for this. And as I keep on always telling, to be a confident person, you have to jump in it. I was a person who was always just like you all, um, a bit less confident, a bit less insecure. But it's when you keep jumping, when you jump, then only you would learn to swim. So just jump. I'm always there to support you. And yes, I have been able to support people in baking and as well as emotionally also, because somewhere or the other we all do connect with each other. Yes, so to learn more and more. Yes. Hello Harneet Kaur, hi. So what's your resolution, Harneet? Do let me know your resolution. Okay, being a doctor also I'm into baking because of your workshops. Thank you so much. So the resolution is to become more and more confident in baking. That's perfect. That's so nice. Anju, what is your resolution? Let's know your resolutions. Today is the caramel. Okay, so what are your resolutions? Good home baker. You anyways are a good home baker. You guys are anyways good home bakers. Don't worry. So actually I am helping people also because they are unable to join. They are personally sending me the WhatsApp link. Okay, I want to know I want to be a good home baker by the end of 2023, Nandini. Okay. By the end of, you can start right away. Yes, we would be starting because everybody has not been able to join yet. So Savitri, I would be starting in some time. My resolution is that I make new things for my children. Same. Anju, I also started with like that only. I started baking journey 7 years back for my elder one who wanted me to bake his birthday cakes. So तब से I started making cakes. Many cakes went into the dustbin. Many cakes were being thrown away. But yes, now with learning the faults, so that's what I keep on saying people, that I am comfortable enough to let you know what your faults would be. So मैं ये आपको बता सकती हूँ कि आपकी क्या गलतियां इस चीज में हो सकती हैं, बिकॉज मैंने अपनी गलतियों से सीखा है. So be very comfortable in that. There are many things which you would make mistakes. Do not get disheartened. I have made many batches of many things and thrown quietly in the dustbin. So this is how we all know, because even if you learn it from anywhere, there has to be a person to help you. Unfortunately, I have not got many in my life. I kept on learning, kept on making mistakes, and that's how I know that when I can do this mistake, so you all can do this mistakes. Thank you so much, Yashvi. Yes. Correct. Okay, so I can see you would get more and more customers. I find difficult to get more customers as a home baker. You would get more customers when you start promoting yourself first in your friends. Ask your friends to forward it further. Make a group. Give them free gifts. Give them free recipes or give them free takeaways. That's how you would be able to attract your customers. Once that is done, ask them to share it further. So this is how you can build your customers. Yeah, you want to stay away from all negative thoughts and people who don't value my work. You would be able to stay away from all negative thoughts if you are involved in something. Keep yourself as busy as possible. At the end of the day, you should be comfortable enough कि आज मैंने something valuable किया. That's how you can stay away from all negative thoughts. The only one thing is just be occupied in things which makes you happy. Say if you are in your job and you're not happy about it, but still you have to do something in your life, maybe half an hour, which makes you happy. So your to-do of the list should be just two things. One is your work and one which makes you happy. So this is how you can be away from all negative thoughts. I am also a psychologist. So from baking we have jumped into psychologist, but we'll come back to the caramel making. Sure. My promise is in 2023 is I want to come up with all new recipes. Just keep on sharing what all things you have missed, what all things you want to learn. We will be coming up with that. Perfect. So I think we, without a further delay, what you all say, can we join? I hope you all have the recipe card. Just keep sharing it with your friends and family so that they can join. Okay. So I would also be speaking about my upcoming workshops. So there are many things which we have been doing and many of you know about it. So like I do teach, I want to bake my brother's wedding cake and my child's same. Though my brother wedding is already done, but yes, I started my journey with my child's first birthday cake. And that's how I kept on baking for my family. My baking cake's good, but my icing part is a challenge. So Gandhi, you will learn once you keep making it. So this doesn't come in one go. You will have to keep on making it for an year, I would say, and then you would get a hands-on on it. Okay, so there are many things which I teach. It's like cake, cupcakes, cookies, brownies, ice cream, smoothies. There are many things. Healthy cakes, healthy bakes, healthy baked snacks. Many things which I teach. Chocolates. My first workshop was on chocolates, and that's how many ladies started their own business on chocolates. So I do teach chocolates with compounds and curvature also. So coming to how do I do these workshops is I take the workshop online. मैं workshop online लेती हूँ. उसके बाद में I keep the recording with myself. Not necessary you might go and make it every day in your kitchen, right? So you might make it after 1 year in your kitchen. So you should be having the recording. Second is, once you are connected with me, you would be connected with me. Yet you can just give me a call that Nandini, ये workshop मैंने आपकी की थी. I had attended this workshop of yours. I do teach cakes in very much in details. This is just of triple line because I know many of you are aspiring bakers who want to learn cakes. And I have a workshop which teaches all types of sponges with ganache and whipping cream and mousse frosting. So you can be connected with me. I'm a student since the time you started. Absolutely, Juhi. I know. So I'm really happy that after 2 years also people are connected to me. It is all because of your genuineness and my support. I've tried my level best to be there with you all. Thank you so much. And for the upcoming workshop, I'll let you know. But still, I would want people who are following me on Instagram to let me know. Do you know which is my next workshop? Come on. And on that note, would want to do healthy baked snacks and gluten free. Yes, you can connect to me for the healthy baked snacks. I'll help you out with that. Perfect. I think without further delay, where have you learned from? I have all learned majorly from YouTube, because 8 saal pehle when I started learning these things, there were no such courses, right? So I was a mother of already one, now I'm a mother of 2 kids. So I had always learned baking from YouTube, and then from friends and all, I kept on learning, taking inputs, making, throwing, again making, getting successful. So that's how. And okay, I hope you all have the recipe card by now. Perfect. Okay, I'll switch on my I am one of those who started chocolate because after your course. Thank you so much. Same here. But YouTube में यही problem होती है गुरप्रीत कि you do not get anybody to help you when there's something goes wrong. So that's why I kept on learning, creating my own recipes, because YouTube says YouTube is edited. When we bakers teach you live, there are many things. Many people have attended my live workshops where many things has gone wrong in the live workshop. But you should know how to rectify it, right? So this is how people are being connected, because if I get a fault, you would also get a fault. अगर मेरे से गलती हुई है ना, आपसे भी हो सकती है. And जब गलती है तो there has to be somebody to help you. Is that's when you can connect to me aram se. I hope you all have my contacts numbers. Still, I'll share it with you. Correct. Perfect. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll jump to the workshop now. Jump to today's live workshop. There are many live workshops which I would be bringing it on. Just keep sharing this page. Let everybody join that we are going to start the caramel. Let them also clear their doubts. उनको भी अपने doubts clear करने दो. So you can just with the arrow button you can share these pages further. ठीक है? Okay, you don't have the recipe card and the number, ma'am. Okay, G. I'll share with you my WhatsApp group and I'll start immediately now. नहीं तो those who have joined on time वो मुझे पीटेंगे. Okay. Perfect. So now I hope you all will have the recipe card now or maybe in some time. Just join the WhatsApp group link. That WhatsApp group link has my contact number also, but still I'll share with you my contact number. Now let's quickly come back to the caramel making. Okay? So today's workshop is on caramel making. Live workshop is on caramel making. I'm coming up with many live workshops and many upcoming workshops. So I would also want you to let me know which is my upcoming workshop. In the meantime, I start talking about my caramel making. I would want one of you from Instagram as well as on FB who has joined me to please keep sharing the chat ka group so that they all can join that group and have the recipe card with me, yeah, with them. Okay? And those who are in the free live caramel making workshop, just share the recipes to the people who have newly joined. Please help them. Shivangi, if you can please help them. Yeah. So today's workshop is on caramel making. As said, I would be coming with many free live workshops. I want you all to guess my next live workshop, which is on Sunday. Okay, just keep guessing it. I'll see if it's correct or not. Okay. So today's workshop is on caramel making. घर पे caramel कैसे बना के आप रख सकते हो? You can store your caramels for 3 months. You can even store it for slightly more time in the fridge. ठीक है, आप फ्रिज में उसे काफी टाइम तक स्टोर कर सकते हो. लाइक आई हैव इवन स्टोर्ड इट फॉर 3 to 4 months also. Okay, now okay, they are guessing the names. I will go to this later on. Perfect. So now caramel making, there are many ingredients, many ways of making it, but caramel, the one which I am going to make it, is the easiest one. Why? Because with the ingredients which you have at your home, you can make this caramel. जो आपके घर में जो ingredients available है ना, उनसे आप caramel बना सकते हो. Hi Divisha, Happy New Year dear. Yes. So now what all ingredients are required are very easily available at your home. First is sugar. Which sugar? Just make a note. You are supposed to make a caramel. You can make caramel with a granulated sugar. आप जो granules आते हैं sugar के, सबके घर में जो granules होते हैं sugar के, उससे you need not require powdered sugar. You can make caramel using granulated sugar is first thing. Second thing is unsalted butter. Now why do I add unsalted butter? The reason is because of the balance of the taste. मैं unsalted butter क्यों use कर रही हूँ? Because वो एक balance देता है taste को. ठीक है, that's why I'm using unsalted butter. Fresh cream. Again, Amul fresh cream is easily available at everywhere, right? This is the Amul fresh cream which I use. हर राशन की दुकान में अमूल फ्रेश क्रीम बहुत इजीली मिल जाता है. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग विपिंग क्रीम. मैं विपिंग क्रीम नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ, इसलिए नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ. आई एम यूजिंग अमूल फ्रेश क्रीम. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, pinch of salt. Why am I adding pinch of salt? Because I am using unsalted butter. क्योंकि मैं unsalted butter यूज कर रही हूँ, इसलिए मैंने pinch of salt उसमें ऐड किया है. ठीक है, so I hope the ingredients are clear to all of you. ठीक है, I'll move my camera to the workplace. Just let me know, is my workplace visible? Then I won't be able to see your comments. Okay, visible, right? Is the workplace visible? Can I see after open fresh cream? We'll take these doubts. ठीक है, once I complete this, just write your doubts again. And because my both the cameras are pointed to my workplace, so I'm unable to see your comments. ठीक है, मैं comments आपका थोड़ी देर में ले लेती हूँ. Now let's start making the caramel. And please make notes of the important points which I am saying. ये सारी छोटी छोटी गलतियां सबसे होती हैं. So very first is start. You can make it on your induction. You can even make it on your gas stove. So I've taken granulated sugar. आप granulated sugar ले सकते हो. and do not stir it with spatula. Whenever you make caramel, whenever you're caramelizing your sugar, never touch it with spatula. Okay? You need not put spatula and stir it. The sugar would touch the spatula or stick to the spatula. This is the very first important point. Write it down. The very first is, सबसे पहला पॉइंट है, आपको ग्रैनुलेटेड शुगर लेना है, दाना वाला चीनी लेना है. आई हैव अ बिगर ग्रैनुअल, इट विल टेक स्लाइटली मोर टाइम टू caramelize. And once you take granulated sugar, do not move it with spatula. Spatula से move करना, उसको मत शुरू करना, because this would hamper and everything would touch to your spatula. आपके spatula में touch होना शुरू हो जाएगा, इसलिए वो चीज़ मत करना. So I'm letting it caramelize. In the meantime, let me see if I have any doubts on so this will start caramelizing. Do not stir it. Okay, I'll increase the temperature, and since it is a bigger granule, it will take slight time to do this. It will take slight time to caramelize. Guys, please share the recipe card with the people who have just joined. So if you are using bigger granule, it will take time to caramelize. In the meantime, if you have any doubts, I am seeing the doubts on Instagram now. Just keep writing your doubts. Let me read. Yes. I cannot see any doubts on Facebook. Guys, those who have joined me on Facebook, can you see the video? Please let me know. What is the temperature? Do not worry about the temperature with the name Choco Lush. Do not worry about the temperature. घर पे जैसे बनाना है आप, टेम्परेचर हर किसी के पास में थर्मोमीटर नहीं होगा. So do not worry about the temperature. घर पे जैसे बनाते हैं वैसे I am making it. ठीक है? Guys, those who have joined me on Facebook, can you see? And I can see the doubts on Instagram. So just keep writing your doubts if you have any doubts. With the name Bhatia Madhu, you don't have the recipe card. Just ping on this link. I am sharing you the link. Just join with the link. And guys, if you have any doubt, just let me know. Join with this link. In what flame should we keep? Good question. We should always keep on a medium low flame. जब भी cooking होती है with the name Delicious, you have asked, you should always cook whatever you want. You should always cook on a medium low flame. So I'm just pulling this in between. On a medium low flame. लकड़ी का गोल वाला. Can we use whipped cream instead of fresh cream? No, I would not suggest with the name Parik. I would not suggest whipping cream instead of fresh cream. There are many reasons to it. I personally see, this is what happens. It would stick to your spatula, so do not disturb it much. So जब पहला point था, शुगर ग्रैनुलेटेड लेंगे. अगर बहुत बड़ा दाने वाला शुगर है तो इट वुड टेक टाइम टू कैरमलाइज. वो थोड़ा सा टाइम लेगा कैरमलाइज करने के लिए. नो लोबिता, आई हैव यूज्ड ग्रैनुलेटेड शुगर. प्लीज डू नॉट यूज पाउडर्ड शुगर बिकॉज यू वांट इट टू बी कैरमलाइज ना. तो हमेशा ग्रैनुलेटेड शुगर लो. और मैं मीडियम लो फ्लेम पे काम कर रही हूँ. वंस द शुगर इज डन, लकड़ी का गोल वाला. Once the sugar is done, the recipe says take sugar. I have taken half cup of sugar. उसको melt होने दो. जब 80% तक melt हो जाएगा, that's when you're supposed to shift it and add butter, stir it, add cream, stir it. Now in this I would be adding salt also because ये Facebook पे. Guys, can you see me on Facebook? Or have I lost the connection? Can one of you just let me know? Am I visible on Facebook? So I'll just switch off the gas once because people cannot see me on Facebook. Just give me a minute. इसको थोड़ा सा कनेक्ट कर दो, एक सेकेंड। नहीं ये ठीक है बस। I think you all can see me now on Facebook, right? Yes, so first the sugar has to melt. Butter should be at room temperature. Preference is at room temperature, but any of the days sugar इतना ज़्यादा melted है ना। अच्छा, what happens since I have switched off the gas ना, तो वो चीनी जम जाएगी। तो क्या करना है आपको, आप एक और बार गैस ऑन कर लो and just keep stirring it. Just keep stirring it. So you can see almost 80% ये मेल्ट हो चुका है, बट सिंस मैंने गैस ऑफ कर दी थी बीच में, ये थोड़ा सा हार्डन हो गया है। सो इसको इस तरीके से, सिंस आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इंडक्शन, सो इसलिए ये थोड़ा सा करना पड़ेगा आपको। At this time you can even put 1 teaspoon of water. If you want, you can put 1 teaspoon of water, but I am sticking to only 4 ingredients recipe. So you can see this has started caramelizing. This is almost caramelized to 80%. And since ये बड़े granules हैं, so it's taking slightly more time. I'll pull this in between once. So first important thing is your granulated sugar. Second important thing is do not touch spatula in between जब तक वो 80% हो नहीं जाता. So you can see it's almost caramelized. Switch off the gas. Transfer it to a wooden plank. Put unsalted butter. With the heat of it, it would start melting. Add a pinch of salt because I'm making a salted caramel. अगर आप salted butter लेते हो ना, then उस केस में होता क्या है, sometimes the caramel gets too salted. So always prefer to take unsalted butter. See, with the heat of sugar, it has got melted. I have added pinch of salt. Now I'll add fresh cream. And why not whipping cream? The reason is I prefer whipping cream only for whipping purposes. It is expensive also. Fresh cream is very easily available nearby. So once you add fresh cream, just keep stirring it to get the desired consistency. Again, medium low flame. Why didn't I put butter gas on में ही? Why didn't I put butter so that when the gas was on, मैंने butter को gas जब on थी ना तब नहीं डाला है. The reason is I don't want the butter also to change the color. The color of the caramel has to be the color of the sugar only which has got caramelized. ना कि butter. मुझे butter से color change नहीं करना था. So that's why this was done. So now this would not stick to your, keep scraping from the sides, keep scraping from the sides, let it cook, you would get a consistency. ठीक है, so अभी तो it is very flowy consistency. After some time when it cools down, this would become a very thick consistency. ठीक है, ये बहुत thick हो जाएगा इसका consistency. So I think this consistency is fine. This would give you a very perfect taste. Switch it off. Let it cool down slightly. Now sometimes what happens, the biggest mistake what people do is when they caramelize, वो गैस स्विच ऑफ कर देते हैं, फिर वो बटर को निकालते हैं एंड फिर वो क्रीम को निकालते हैं. डू नॉट डू इट दैट वे. योर ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैज टू बी देयर एंड देन. सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को रेडी रखो, इसको हटा दो. सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को रेडी रखो एंड देन दिस इज द कैरेमल कंसिस्टेंसी. Now if you want slightly darker, you can even caramelize the sugar slightly more. ठीक है, if it is you want slightly darker, I love this taste and the color would also change slightly. जब ये cool down हो जाएगा तो ये थोड़ा सा और darker हो जाएगा. I would show you the caramel. पहले का जो कैरमल है which I have kept it, made and kept it. It's been almost 3 months. This is the caramel. Can you see the consistency? इस तरीके से consistency हो जाएगी when you keep it in the fridge. Rather, once it cools down, this will become very thick. Now, I hope this thing is clear. You can keep it for almost more than 3 months in the fridge. ठीक है, ये इस तरीके से thick हो जाएगा. Now, how to take it out? Take it out. थोड़ा सा microwave आप इसको कर सकते हो. You can take it out and slightly microwave to use it. ठीक है, so I'll just pour this and I'll talk about what. Now, usually the preference is always try to store these in glass jars. ठीक है, not plastic, because गरम अगर आप प्लास्टिक में डालते हो then it would make a problem. So इसलिए always store it in a glass jar so that मैं गरम गरम भी इसमें डाल सकती हूँ. राइट, ये ले लो प्लीज. नाउ व्हाट मेजर थिंग आई वांट टू नो दैट व्हाई डिड आई मेक कैरमल घर पे, व्हाई डिड नॉट आई मेक कैरमल मार्केट बॉट कैरमल. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आई डोंट यूज मार्केट बॉट कैरमल, बट देयर इज अ रीजन टू व्हाई आई मेड दिस होममेड थिक कैरमल. कैन एनीबडी हेल्प मी विद व्हाई डिड आई मेक दिस कैरमल? घर पे कैरमल क्यों बनाया मैंने? Can anyone let me know? Or else I'll let you know. ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा सा ठंडा होने देते हैं, उसके बाद में we'll just close and keep it in the fridge. Once it cools down, I'll keep it in the fridge. Now, those who have not got the recipe card, guys, please join this WhatsApp group. I'll brief the recipe once again. I have taken sugar. Once the sugar has got caramelized, I have taken it out from the gas. गैस से निकाल दिया है मैंने नहीं. I'll come to your answers also. So गैस से हटा के I have added butter and fresh cream. Why butter? Why unsalted butter? Because I don't want it to be too salty. I want the salt content as per me. So I have added the salt as per my taste. मैंने अपने taste के हिसाब से salt डाला है. ठीक है. Now second important thing is उसके बाद में I have added fresh cream and again put it and cooked it to my desired consistency. This is for you who just asked me कि मुझे थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेनेशन दो कि कैसे मैंने किया है. ठीक है. नाउ आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच यू ऑल हैव आंसर्ड. व्हाई डिड आई मेक अ होममेड कैरमल? नॉट टू yes, to save money is one thing. Choco Bliss, I have shared the recipe card. Just join the group for the recipe card. Cost effective without preservative. Yes, without preservative, cost effective is also one thing. If I want to make caramel toffee, what changes can be done? It has to be slightly cooked more thick and then turned into candies. Okay. As Muskan has said, we will save it, but I would be able to clear the doubts here only, okay? I won't be able to clear the doubts later on. So yes, measurement and ingredients are there in the WhatsApp group. Guys, please join the WhatsApp group. Now, why did I make it at home? The actual answer to this is, I make filling chocolates. Okay, I make filling chocolates. I put this caramel in between the layers of my cake. मैं इस कैरेमल के फिलिंग को चॉकलेट्स में डालती हूँ because I teach how to make caramel filled chocolates. Right? It goes very good in all the seasons. So what I do is for caramel filled chocolates, for putting this on the cakes पे डेकोरेट करने के लिए, चॉकलेट्स के लिए, क्या आपको लगता है मार्केट बॉट कैरेमल विच हैज अ डिफरेंट कंसिस्टेंसी वुड बी ओके? कैरेमल निकाल दो. इट वुड नॉट बी ओके. Even if you are frosting, say you want to decorate it on the cupcake ka frosting. If you have too flowy consistency, so the texture of the item would change. So this is a market bought caramel, right? जो खाली liquid में use कर सकते हैं. And it has too liquidy consistency. Now if you want to make a chocolate, I think I have again bummed out of Facebook. I don't know why this is happening. I'll again join through Facebook. So the main point is, if you make a filling chocolate, yeah, if you decorate in your cake, say if you're making a caramel crunch cake, अगर आपको caramel crunch cake बनाना है, अगर आपको कैरेमल क्रंच केक बनाना है या कैरेमल बटर स्कॉच केक बनाना है, इफ यू वांट चॉकलेट्स टू हैव कैरेमल इन इट, और इफ यू वांट टू डेकोरेट इट ऑन फ्लोरेंटाइन्स, इफ यू वांट टू डेकोरेट इट ऑन योर कुकीज, इफ यू वांट टू डेकोरेट इट ऑन द आइसक्रीम, एकदम पतला कंसिस्टेंसी करूंगी ना तो वो अंदर की फ्रॉस्टिंग, केक में करूंगी तो वो बाहर निकल जाएगा, कैरेमल वुड ooze आउट. Even if I am making it in a chocolate, it would be too liquidy and too oozy. So for that thing, you can make these caramels. So just caramel chocolates which I teach you, this is caramel sauce, no? Chocolates which I teach you with caramel is this caramel. Even I am going to make, okay, so the next workshop which I am going to do, some of you have guessed is correct. I am going to make waffles. Now for waffles also, I don't want to change the waffle to become soggy. मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरे waffles soggy हो. So why would I use this caramel? I have made this caramel with the simplest ingredients. It is very cost effective. You can store it for almost more than 3 months, I am saying you. And then in that case, the best part is it would not change the texture of your ingredients. मतलब आप जो भी बना रहे हो ना, से चॉकलेट बना रहे हो, केक में डाल रहे हो, नेक्स्ट वीक जो मैं वॉफल्स बनाने वाली हूँ उसमें डेकोरेट करूंगी, तो वो सब चीज की कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं चेंज होगी. दैट्स वाई यू शुड ऑलवेज गो फॉर दिस थिक कैरेमल. बनाया घर में, फ्रिज में स्टोर किया, यू कैन पुट इट इन ऑन योर वॉफल्स, यू कैन पुट इट इन योर केक्स. कुकीज बनाई हैं उस पर डेकोरेट कर दिया, आगे चल के आइसक्रीम्स बनाएंगे उसमें डेकोरेट कर दिया. सो देयर आर मेनी वेज यू कैन यूज दिस कैरेमल. इट इज वेरी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव. चॉकलेट्स बनाओ, मेक फिलिंग चॉकलेट्स, इन दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन पुट दिस कैरेमल. Right? Correct? Do you all agree to this thing? What is the shelf life at room temperature? I do not prefer to keep it at room temperature, Vibhuti. I do not prefer to put it at room temperature. The reason is room temperature में खाली इसलिए रख रही हूँ ताकि जब वो normal temperature हो जाएगा तो मैं उसको फ्रिज में रख लूंगी for a better shelf life. It's winter now. You can even keep it for almost 10 to 15 days outside also. Piping will be easier. Acha, say for example, just since Shinas asked me, now say this is very thick. How would I do piping इसमें? How would I even drizzle it? क्योंकि ये थोड़ी देर बाद तो ऐसा hard हो जाएगा. How would I drizzle it? Mrinalini, my next workshop is on waffles. I would come up with cheesecake, but my next workshop is on waffles. Because kids are too much like कि mama waffles बनाओ. So my next workshop is on waffles. Okay, and I would be teaching many varieties of waffles, the exotic waffles which you all get everywhere. You can make it with very simple ingredients at your home. घर के चीजों से ही हम waffles बना सकते हैं with minimum investment. And I would also teach you healthy waffles. मैं healthy waffles बनाना सिखाऊंगी आपको. और मैं savory waffles means जो नमकीन waffles होते हैं, जैसे मूंग दाल waffle, सूजी waffle, बेसन waffle. And in the exotic ones, there are many types of waffles. Yes, those who have joined me live, for you all the fees is just actual workshop fee, because there are 16 types of waffles. The actual fees of the workshop is for 999. But those who have joined me live, for you the fees is only for 799. So you can register it soon. Coming back to, I'll talk about this थोड़ी देर बाद में. Let's focus on this thing. Say you won't be able to pipe it, right? तो आप क्या करोगे? अच्छा, कभी भी drizzle भी करना है ना, just microwave this and from a height of a spatula drizzle it. कभी भी नीचे से drizzling नहीं होती है. From a height you're always supposed to drizzle it. ठीक है? You'll get a very thin drizzling. Say if you want to use it as a filling in the cake, तो आप ऐसे का ऐसे thick use करना. थोड़ा सा microwave करके you use it thick, okay? Now say if you want to fill it in your chocolates. So now this is very thick. So you can slightly microwave it and use it as a filling in your chocolates. This will come to a piping consistency. Do not make it a drizzling consistency. उतना तक आपको normalize करना है. You can normalize it on the pan, but see, pan में वो और cook हो जाएगा. Non-stick pan तो gas पे ही रहेगा, वो और cook हो जाएगा. So just microwave it slightly. This is the reason I'm using a glass कांच का jar. It is easier for me. ठीक है? So talking about my next workshop, my next workshop is on waffles. There are 16 plus varieties of waffles. There are many ways you can make waffles at home. If I can make at my home, I'll make sure that you all can make at your home, right? Just a different way to present your normal ingredients, I would teach you that. यस, यू कैन मेक इट इन वॉफल मेकर. और भी बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं वॉफल बनाने के. एक्सपेंसिव वॉफल मेकर खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर आर मेनी मेनी वेज. यू कैन इवन मेक वॉफल्स इन माइक्रोवेव. यू कैन इवन मेक वॉफल्स इन ओटीजी. तभी भी बना सकते हैं वॉफल्स. वॉफल मेकर तो है ही है. Plus the varieties of waffles, I am teaching many excellent varieties. You all know that I believe in the presentation. The look of the thing has to be really beautiful. So that's what I thought कि अगर निकालना ही है waffles का workshop, it has to be the ones, exotic ones, the healthy ones, which you can make it on an everyday basis for your kids' breakfast. एंड प्लस ये सारे तो स्वीट हो गए, प्लस सेवरी वॉफल्स भी होते हैं, नमकीन वॉफल्स भी होते हैं, विच यू कैन ईट इट एज स्नैक्स. इट लुक्स दी बेस्ट. ठीक है. So these all things would be there, but the people who have joined me live, for you all the workshop is on 799 and the details would be given in that WhatsApp group only. Those who are interested can ping me personally. I'll share you the details of the waffle workshop. Okay. I will try to keep this recording on Instagram for some time. So if you are trying to make it, make it. If you have any doubts, just write me your doubts on the Instagram. I'll share you the doubts. Okay, anything more? How many of you are interested for the waffle workshop? Please do let me know in the group. And yes, the actual price of the workshop was 999, but we are releasing it at 799. So it's almost cooled down. काफी ठंडा हो चुका है ये. So now you can close it. Once you feel कि वो काफी ठंडा हो चुका है, you can close the lid and keep it in the fridge. How to thaw? That's a very good question. Niyashri has asked us. You can take a garam. So what you can do is you can scoop this with a spoon. Scoop it with a spoon. Put it in a katori and put it under a double boil. उस तरीके से you can do it. Which dessert we have to make with leftover cream? Tanishka, what I do is ये जो leftover cream है, you can make. Okay, thank you so much. So they are just writing me who all are interested for the waffle workshop. Can I use this for the hot chocolate bomb? You can use it. That's a very great idea, Shivani. Yes, absolutely, you can use it. Not able to join the WhatsApp group. Acha, who all don't have my number? You can connect to me personally also on my personal contact number. I have shared you the link. You can just try with this WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. That's a very good idea which she has given. Actually, I had taught hot chocolate bomb Christmas time पे. You can put this caramel sauce उसमें. अच्छा, उसमें अगर liquidy डालेंगे ना, then it would be very liquidy. It would break your hot chocolate bomb. So you can use this thick वाला. Perfect. You can use this thick वाला caramel because people do like caramel in milk also. Do not add too much of sugar content in it. This will go good. If I don't have a microwave, how would I normalize in double boiler? Yes, you can normalize in double boiler. Can I have your number? Yes. Can we have a caramel chocolate workshop? I do have a caramel chocolate workshop. I do have filling chocolate workshops. I make chocolates using compound as well as couvertures. So you can purchase any of the workshop. I do have sale for some time now. The New Year's sale. So those who don't have the number, okay, you don't have the number, I'll share with you the number. This is my personal number. Just save this number. This is my personal number. Yeah. And the next workshop which I am coming, yes, the next workshop which I am coming is on waffles. Exclusive 16 plus varieties of waffles, which you can make with the simple ingredients, no fancy ingredients, because I don't want you to make so big investments. Start at home, make it for your family. It's winter time. Serve it with sauces, serve it with caramels on it, serve it with ganache on it. I'll try to come up with a ganache live workshop also. That would also be helpful for many of you, like caramel has been. Can I add vanilla extract? Absolutely, you can add vanilla extract. You can add vanilla essence in this caramel sauce. You can absolutely add this. Ma'am, the workshop is on 8th of this month. 8 Jan ko hai ye workshop. 8 Jan. I'll share you the details. The people who are interested, just ping me on my personal number. I would let you know the details. The more quickly you do, it would be for 799, or else the price of the workshop is for 999. Thank you so much. That really means me a lot, Ritika. these recipes which I come up, I try, make, throw, and it's been years of my working with which I can, it's very difficult for a chef to let you know okay, you can blindly trust my recipes in whole of the year, right? So this is very important thing. Recipes has to be such that the recipes consistency you should be able to manage it in summers as well as in winters. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि विंटर्स के लिए मुझे फिर से सीखना पड़ेगा, समर्स के लिए फिर से सीखना पड़ेगा. So I do let you know this can be a problem in summers, this can be a problem in winters. Yes, so that's why I really work hard for my recipes. Sure, ठीक है. Yes, you can absolutely sell waffle. This is the reason, no, you wanted to make some new recipes. Thank you so much, Naina. You mean a lot to me. With good, thank you so much, Mrilalini. Her cakes are coming out good with our recipes because yes, those are the no-fail recipes which really I have took out time, thrown many batches. That's when this recipe has come. Even if you want to Google that recipe, you won't get that recipe because this is something जो हर घर में ingredients के साथ में हम बनाते हैं. से अगर ये नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे, ये नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे, मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट से कैसे शुरू करेंगे अपना बिजनेस, राइट? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So very happy to be connected. I want you all to try to join the waffle workshop also. It would be a great success. I would also teach you how to make and sell it. Though I'm a person who I just love to teach. I do not make and sell them. Thank you so much. My cakes and cupcakes are perfect. Thank you so much, Poonam ma'am. Means a lot. ये तो बहुत अच्छे फीडबैक्स मिल रहे हैं मुझे. इट्स मेकिंग माई दिस न्यू ईयर सेकेंड थर्ड डे टू बी वेरी फ्रूटफुल. थैंक यू सो मच. यस, आप इस वर्कशॉप्स को, वॉफल्स को आप सेल भी कर सकते हो. देयर आर मेनी वेज. जस्ट मेक वॉफल्स, गिव द सॉसेस डिफरेंटली एंड यू कैन सर्व इट. यू कैन मेक दिस वॉफल एज अ टिक इन योर मेन्यू ऑल्सो. ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी विंटर्स का टाइम है. समर्स में भी वॉफल्स बहुत अच्छे से चलते हैं, बट अभी विंटर्स का टाइम है. गरम वॉफल्स, it's a hit. ठीक है. Can you give me your number? Yes, I'm sharing my number. Hi Jessica, how are you doing? Yes, I have shared my number. Tanika has asked which dessert we can make with the leftover cream. Tanika, I have replied you. What I do with this cream is I make ganache and keep it. I make truffles with this and keep it. यूजुअली ये घर में यूज हो जाता है. से इफ यू थैंक यू सो मच नियश्री. yes, caramel sauce can be sold, absolutely. Make homemade caramel sauce, sell it. Make homemade, tie up with bakers, say that I'll give you the caramel sauce, you need not buy it from outside. It would be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Thank you Shivani, it means a lot to me. No one can fail with your recipe, no? See, I keep on teaching like a school teacher only. ऐसा important है, ऐसा important है. Yes, you can sell caramel sauce. Just calculate your investment and you can sell it. You can even sell ganache. Like people have started selling instead of cakes. Make these things which actually bakers require. Tie up with bakers, tie up with the bakeries or cafes nearby you who want caramel sauce. Tell them that you did not go for the market bought caramel. You can use these caramel at home. Just microwave it quickly. Thank you so much. My brownie workshop was the best. Yes, I forgot to say that I also teach brownie. I also teach eggless brownie, and my specialization has always been eggless. But I do let people know who want to use with egg. So I do let you know that. A shelf life of the caramel sauce, Gurpreet, it is for 3 months, but उससे ज़्यादा भी आप रख सकते हो. up till 4 months भी आप रख सकते हो. ठीक है. So on this note, thank you so much. Please be connected to me on WhatsApp or on the group link. I will be sharing you the further details. You can be connected to me. Yes, you can use it in the caramel butterscotch cake. That's what I had helped you. Jaskiran, thank you so much. Thank you. I am from Gurgaon. Yes, I would try my level best to keep it for some time on Instagram. ठीक है. Waffles तो eggless ही होंगे. You know that Nandini specializes in eggless workshops. So waffles eggless ही होंगे. किसी को egg add करना है वो उसकी मर्जी है, but हम eggless ही बनाएंगे. So that any of the time, and it is not sweet waffles. You can even make healthy waffle. You can make ragi waffle, suji waffle, besan waffle, sabudana waffle. There are many healthy versions of waffle. You can make a whole wheat aate ke sath waffle. You can make a mix of atta maida waffle. There are many types of waffles which you can make. So which I am still making. Because jab tak waffle ki workshop hai, every day unko waffle mein. You can make a waffle pizza. You can make a waffle sandwich. There are many things. And you can make and sell it. For a homemade butter, I would not suggest. Use the unsalted butter. Uska costing आप लगा लेना. Use the unsalted butter. Where are you based in Gurgaon? Gurugram, ma'am, I stay in Sona Road, Malibu town. Since you are in Gurgaon, you can please help us with the sources to buy ingredients. With the name Chocolush, see, ingredients I usually buy from Choco Point, which is in South Point Mall. There are many like all over Gurgaon, because I don't make and sell. Whatever I make, I put it in a box and I give it to, I just go and distribute it outside to kids. Like whenever I'm going outside, I just put these things in car and I distribute it to everybody. Even my ice creams, I just go and distribute it to people. So I want to join. Acha, all my workshops, I know you are not able, you won't be able to join me live, but as I said, I record, I'm sorry, Pani. I record all my workshops for a lifetime access, which you can see at your pace. And yes, you all know that I clear your doubts. So just make it your pace. Thank you so much, means a lot. Sure, you can connect to me, ma'am. You can connect to me Instagram, Facebook. My contact number is also shared. Okay, thank you so much for joining. My next live again would be again in some days. I'll be come up, just keep on writing that you want to learn these, I'll come up with those things. Existing, there are many things on my website which you can see, which I teach, which if you have missed or you want to learn, you can just learn it at your pace and connect to me for your doubts. Okay, thank you so much. On this note, I will end this session for now. Yeah, and I'll try my level best to keep it on Instagram for some time. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye. Muffins are being made. Muffins मैंने सिखाया हुआ है मैम. You can connect to me for my workshops. You can learn it at your pace, because all my workshops have been live workshop का recording. Waffles हम लोग live लेंगे on 8. Healthy and exotic and savory workshops also. Savory means namkeen waffles also. So these all things would be covered. Just connect to me on the contact number which I have shared with you all. I'll help you all. Thank you so much. Yes, the price of the waffle workshop is actually 999, but I want you all to join it. So we'll just keep it for 799. Do you really think so? I should put it on YouTube channel? It's too much of work to do. Shivani, it's too much of work to do. Store in freezer. Do not store it in freezer, store it in fridge. Have I written it in freezer? Store it in fridge. You will take it on Insta live. No, I'll be doing this live workshop on Zoom. Zoom की link आप सबको दी जाएगी, because there are many people, I think, who are newly joining me. So all my workshops I do it on Zoom. That's how I record the workshop and give it to you all for the lifetime access. Fridge. Mrinalini, you have to store it in fridge. Yes, if you have any further doubts when you are making it, just write these comments. I'll share the recording on Instagram only. Okay, just see it, make it. If you have any doubt, just connect to me. For waffles, if you're not available for the live workshop, you can still register. I'll share with you the live workshops recording, which you can see at your pace, and then connect to me for your doubts. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you.